Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll show you how to back up your Yahoo emails in under 5 minutes. If you're concerned about losing access to vital messages or just want a secure copy stored elsewhere, this tutorial is for you. The steps are simple and easy to follow, so let's get started with securing your data. Begin by signing into your Yahoo account. Navigate to the login page and type in your email address. Double-check the spelling to ensure a smooth login, then hit the Next button. Now, provide your password accurately to avoid any errors, and click Next once more to enter your inbox. Once logged in, we need to adjust your account settings. Find the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen and click it. From the menu that appears, choose More Settings. This opens a new interface where you can manage your mailboxes and set up the backup. On the More Settings screen, select the Mailboxes option. This area lets you link other accounts for forwarding. Carefully enter your Gmail address here, as this is where Yahoo will send a confirmation link. After typing it in, press the Verify button. This is a vital step to authorize the transfer of your emails to Gmail. Now, switch over to your Gmail inbox and find the verification message sent by Yahoo. Open that email and follow the provided link to confirm the connection. Once that's finished, return to your Yahoo Mail settings and click the Save button to apply the changes. You have now successfully set up your Yahoo Mail to automatically back up to your Gmail account. This extra security measure provides peace of mind and ensures your important correspondence is always accessible. Keeping regular backups is a smart way to manage your digital information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful guides.